Only a few students solve this on the first try. By pausing this video, do by yourself. Let's continue today's tutorial on this shortly. Clearly, I show you this. Then you can correct your answer if you get the right answer. This is a questions or today lesson questions. Then first of all, we rewrite the base to the same. This base to the same. Rewrite the base to the same. Then when we rewrite this base, 3 is the power of 2. Then this is outside. X minus 1. Yeah. 9 means 3 is the power of 2 plus. Yeah. Do you get? 3 to x minus 1 is equals to 36. Yeah. Do you get the idea? The base is now rewrite it to the same number 3. Yeah, it's good. Then 3 distribute this 2 in the bracket. 2 times x, 2x. 2x, 2 times 1 minus 2 plus 3 to x minus 1 is equals to 36. Yeah. Then what we do? Yes, easy. Then 3 to x times 3 minus 2. Yeah. Simply we separate this power into different. This one. 3 is the power of 2x times 3 the power of minus 2. Yeah, we separate. Plus. Then also we separate this one. 3 to x times 3 is the power of minus 1 is equals to 36. Then what you do? Okay, then okay. No matter if we take the same numbers from this, we can. Yet we take the same numbers. The same number 3 is the power of 2x plus 3 is the power of 2x is the same. For this reason, we take once 3 is the power of 2x in the bracket of 3 in the power of minus 2 plus, yeah, there is plus 3 the power of minus 1 is equals to 36. Yeah. We take 3 is the power of 2x, 3 is the power of 2x is there is present in the same side. For this reason, we take the 1, then 3 to x in the bracket of this means a, the power of minus 1 means 1 over a. Don't forget, by these rules, 3 the power of minus 2 means 1 over 3 the power of 2 plus this minus 1, it become 1 over 3. Don't forget, is equals to 36. Yeah. Then this minus, it become what? It become 1. It become 1 like this one. Then these 2 is come to the below this 3 also. 3 to x 1 over 9. 9 is comes to 3 the power of 2 means 9 plus 1 over 3 is equals to 36. Yeah. Then we multiply recross. 3 times 1 means 3. 9 times 1 means plus, there is plus. 9 times 1 means 9. 9 times 3 means 27. 27 is equals to 36. Yeah, 3 is the power of 2x. This means 9 plus 3 means 12. 12 over what? 27 over 30 is equals to 36. Yes. Then, okay. Then, if we divided this one simply by 4, by 4, 3. Okay, by 3. Oh, by 3. If we divide it by 3, this one, by 3. Let me simplify by 3. 3 to 8. By 3, 12 divided 3 means 4 over 27 divided by 3 means how much? Okay, 9. 9, yes, 9. 4 over 9 is equals to 36. Then we multiply this one reciprocally. 4 over 9 means times 9 over 4 both sides. 9 over 4. 9 over 4. Both sides, yes, reciprocally. Then 9 is cancelled by 9. 4 is cancelled by 4. Then 3 the power of 2x is left alone. Then is equals to 36. Simply 36 divided by 4 means 9. You get 36 divided by 4 means 9. Yeah, let we kill in this place this one. 36 divided by 4 means 9. Then there is 9 around this times 9. This means 81. Yeah, if you will, or you can 36 times 9 over 4. You can just do by like this one, but I show you simply 36 divided by 4, 9, then times 9 means 81. Yeah, 81. Yeah, 81. Then what do we do? 3 to x to the 3 the power of 2x is equals to 81 means 3 the power of what? 4. This means 81 means 3 the power of 4 is equals to 81. This means 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 means 81. This 9, 9 times 9 means 81. You get? Then the bases, it become the same in the both sides. For this reason, we cancel each other. Cancel both sides. By 3, by 3. The bases cancel to each other. Then what is left? 2x plus is equals to 4. 4. Then divided by 2 over 2. Then 2's cancelled each other. 4 divided by 2 means 2. X is equals to how much you get? 2. The final answer is it become 2. I hope as you get, as you understand. Thank you. Thank you. But stay with us. Are you subscribed? I hope as you subscribe, don't forget to share, to subscribe, to comment. Your answer, the final answer is to become 2. Thank you. Have a nice